somebody has to be gone before we actually realize what the right words are to say. No, I don't know what these are or should be, but take every poem or song I have written, compose them all into one, and listen hard. Listen so hard, you can't hear silence anymore. The only sound you can hear is the sound of my soul, reaching for you, holding you and gently caressing your fragile body. Nobody's perfect, we are all unique. That is why you're fantastic. Nobody's perfect.